Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Blockchain Raccoon keeping you updated with the latest cryptocurrency news and analysis. Well, folks, we're going to check out Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP price charts here. But before we do that, I want to touch on this from the Daily Huddle. The potential catalyst for mass consumer adoption of crypto, according to macro guru Raul Paul. Or Raul Powell, however you say it. Excuse me for saying that. Now, Real Vision CEO and macro guru Raul Powell is naming one key catalyst that can ignite the mass consumer adoption of digital assets. In a new interview streamed on Real Vision, the former Goldman Sachs executive says that mass consumer adoption will happen when people stop thinking of buying crypto as an investment. Yeah, well, now he states, if you think I want to be part of this, I want to participate, maybe I get the tokens for free, maybe I buy some of these tokens, maybe they cost me $10. Let's say Lady Gaga's community, Little Monsters, was tokenized in the beginning. It would have gone from a small group to a large music group in the world for a period of time. He also states that imagine the unlock of wealth that does for everybody. So if you now have got 20 million rabid fans who have tokens in your network, why do you ever need a marketing budget again, he states. Powell also says that nothing's changed despite the crypto market's recent bearish price action. He is still long-term bullish on cryptocurrencies. And he states, I too have been surprised at how slow it's been and how choppy it's been end of year. And he states that he thinks it has to do with consumer discretionary spending. A bit of the taper stuff is basically that, and I think a lot of the institutional investors will wait till next quarter. Now, we all know it's coming. Also, the tax selling and hedge funds squaring their books for the end of the year, he states. So, we know what's going to happen in the markets. We know these things are happening. And that's why I'm bullish, man. I'm like, holy crap. I'm digging in. I got my long-term investment set. Still adding still adding some other stuff here. It's just crazy. Definitely get set in those high-quality cryptos. XRP, H-bar, Casper, anything that you think could be a long-term. Definitely. Even XLM. I mean, I got lots of great... oh my god, it's just crazy. But, we're not here for that. So let's take a look at this. Bitcoin prices suffered a strong sell-off on Monday, but oscillator values indicate some near-term support is probable. Now, Ethereum's price action is generating panic in hodlers and excitement in bears. An XRP price has an upcoming Kumo twist, which could point to a temporary or long-term reversal in the current trend. Now, Bitcoin's action remains in a solid technical bear market with the Ichimoku Kinku Hayo system. I know I'm tearing that up, but since triggering an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout on December 4th, Bitcoin has steadily dropped lower, but may have found some temporary support. Now, the relative strength index has transitioned into bear market levels, with the oversold levels now at 30 and 20. However, the relative strength index has bounced off the 30 level and held its support. Now, at the same time, the composite index has crossed above both of its moving averages, while the Optics Band's oscillator has moved out of extreme oversold conditions. The expected level that Bitcoin will retrace to is likely between the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement and the daily Kunjun Sen at 52,000. However, traders will want to be careful of any daily close below 45,500, as this could trigger a swift move lower towards $40,000. Crazy. Alright, let's hop over and take a look at Ethereum. Alright, now taking a look at Ethereum charts here. Let's see here. Ethereum price is at a pressure point that could trigger panic or joy for both sides of the market. Presently, Ethereum is trading just a hair below a triple confluent zone of support, the bottom of the bull flag. Now, the 100% Fibonacci expansion and the bottom of the cloud, the Senku span B. Ethereum broke down below these areas yesterday, but buyers returned Ethereum just below those support levels. So, man, sellers have again tried to push Ethereum beyond the breaking point, but the bulls have thus far been staunch in their defense of this price zone. If the bulls can defend the location, the next step is to test the next major resistance zone at 4,400. On the other hand, if the bears succeed in pushing Ethereum lower, a fast move to the 161.8 Fibonacci expansion at 161.8 is in the cards. Either way, one side of this market will feel some significant pain. I'm glad I bought all this stuff when it was still cheap, man. Oh my god. Alright, now let's move on to XRP. Alright, XRP fam. Man, XRP is just kicking our butts, man. We've been holding on to this for a while. Keep holding strong, because we all know what's coming. We just gotta play around and just everything is gonna play out here. So when things happen, they'll happen when they're ready. Now, XRP price signals a turning point in the current direction may happen soon. So, because XRP price has a Kumo twist coming up on December 17th. The charts don't lie, we talked about the previous Kumo twist here. Now, the Kumo twist are periods where the cloud shifts from red to green or from green to red. They are periods when future Senku span A crosses future Senku span B. When an instrument is trending strongly while approaching the date of the Kumo twist, there is a high probability that a major or minor swing high or low will be found around that date. XRP price is the definition of a strongly trending instrument, with losses of over 42% from the most recent significant swing high on November 10th. If XRP price does find the bottom in the present value area, then the likely retracement is a test of the bottom of the cloud. That would return XRP to the $1.12 value area. That would give nearly a 40% gain from the current 80-cent range. So, that's fantastic. Scoop in, get some more, let it ride up to the 40% range, take some profit. Juicy. I'm bullish, man. Well, folks, I'm just bringing you that with the charts here, folks. They don't lie. We know the news, everything affects the markets. We know that. But the charts still don't lie. Well, folks, I'm going to wrap up this short little video by stating that I am not a financial advisor. I am a little raccoon making YouTube videos about cryptocurrencies, and I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for tuning in.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.